Riri mbura nene irathie na mbere na kura icigo-ini citiganite cia bururi gwata kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kuria mururumo wa mbura no cungiriirie hathara cikaro-ini na ikuũ cia andu eri. Gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja augite thina uyu umanite na mibango itakinyaniire ya miako Nairobi. Gukiri uguo aria makiririire njui meritwo mathame matanoka kurutururwo na kumomorerwo.
We are going to clear all that encroachment. We have been doing it. We are happy with those who have been moving on their own. Kuna wale ambao wamekubali na wamejitoa. Kuna wale ambao wamejua kweli ni maafa ambao tuna iko mbele yetu, but we are going to deal with those. People thought it's only downside of Nairobi. Even Kericho was there. We've marked up to Lavington.
Sakaja uria waritie thutha wa igongona ria kiumia kanitha-ini wa PCEA Evergreen Rudakarura kaunti-ini ya Nairobi augite ni monete umithio wa gutheria mitaro na njui guku akirutira mukana maabitha a thirikari na mainjinia aria mangikorwo mahetukirie mwako gwakwo kuria utafatie.
Wale ambao walikuwa wamepeana ruhusa tukipata ya kwamba kuna mali ilikuwa tayari imeonekana na inajulikana hapa ni unajua ni njia ya maji kupita, ukatoa idhini ya mtu kujenga hapo na akajenga kupitia hiyo approval, pia wewe utajibu.
Gavana wa Nairobi atitirithitie ati gutire hindi kihonia kia miaraho kingioneka andu makirekagwo mahatike njui. Ningi akimenereria mutugo wa andu gutegeko matari na kihariro, akiuga maabitha a kaunti ni mekunyitanira na ruhonge rwa NEMA gwika mungururio wa gwethana na aria marahuthira maratathi ma minyore maria ni mekirirwo mukana ni watho.
Ukitupa karatasi, ukitupa ile wrapping ya plastic. And we want to really come back and enforce. I've spoken to NEMA. We are coming back to enforce heavily. Plastics were banned in this country. But what we are finding is a lot of plastics have come back illegally. Because that is degrading our environment.
Sakaja no eranĩire guthondekwo kwa mutaro munene wa gukiria mai ma giko guku akiuria muingi ugie na wetereri.
Kumbuka pia 27 kilometers along the river on both sides. 54 kilometers long tunaweka siwa mpya ya Nairobi. 1.8 meters by 1.8 meters. Inachukua capacity ya the next 50 years for Nairobi.
Riri ateti mabitie kwarira ndama ciao githurano-ini giukite. Sakaja ni amoritie mahuthahuthie urugari wa uteti na ningi maheane iteo. Gerifo Tera Inoro TV Getu wa Garimaria wa Muigana.